Churchill, together with a large team of his agencies and the Principal Secretary Roads. We're also here with the MP for Rangwe, Honorable Dr. Lilian Gogo. And first of all, I'd really like to thank His Excellency the President for having identified Homabay to host this year's Madaraka Day. And coming with that has been a lot of infrastructural improvement under the Ministry of Roads. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank extremely the CS for Roads, CS Churchill, for the cooperation that he has put and the planning that we have put in together as the leadership of Homabay. You have seen us, all the MPs of Homabay, going to the office of the minister in Nairobi to meet to discuss and plan the roads, airport, and the port that we are currently seeing in Homabay. Thank you, Waziri, so much for your cooperation and for your leadership, together with your team, that you have given to ensure that Homabay is actually transforming very fast. We hope that we had said that in 10 years we want to be a city, that we are seeing that coming sooner because of the kind of work that has happened. We have seen a lot of improvement on the roads in the town. We have seen the dualing of the main road here has begun. A lot of the Kura roads in town are opened up, and the work that has been done is impressive. Today we hope to also look at other roads outside of the celebration, because there's also a lot of work that has gone on outside. The road from Sindo, Magunga to Sori. We hope to visit with the minister to see how to improve on the progress. The road from Kanyadiang, Kadel, the road Oboke, Rangwe, Kadongo, Gendia, are some of the other roads that will also be looked at. And then I think we are happy that the other roads like Karabok Junction to Adiedo are also now seeing some progress. And those are the major roads within Homabay that we've been looking at. We've also been happy with the progress at the airport and also at the pier down at the lake. So this is what we will be doing today, and we are very, very happy with the progress. We once again are happy that we have cooperated as Homabay effectively with the national government to ensure that this progress is moving forward and that no part of this country is left behind. We continue to thank Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga for choosing and agreeing to work with President William Ruto to ensure that no part of this country is left behind. The people of Homabay will tell you that the kind of progress we are seeing in Homabay today is such that we have never seen. And this is because of the cooperation and the unity and the stability of the country. And that is why we continue to support the broad-based government. So because also of people, we have the Treasury, CS Mbadi, we are very grateful for his cooperation. Our PS, Dr. Molo, we are very grateful because as the leadership, we have agreed to work together to move Homabay forward. I want to ask Dr. Gogo to say a word before we call on Waziri.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the Governor of our county of great potential. I want to welcome our CS, who is my friend Chichi, and the PS and your entourage. And I want to say, Your Excellency, that we honestly celebrate you and appreciate you for going out of your way to link us as a community of Homabay people to development. This has never happened as long as we have lived here. And in the shortest time, we are seeing our roads being done. We are seeing improvement in various echelons of infrastructural development. And we want to tell the greater Kenya that we are in broad-based to stay, because we have seen the fruits of broad-based government. We want to vouch for stability and peace of the nation we call Kenya, because Kenya is our home. And we also want to convey this message to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya. I call him William, but other people call him President Ruto. William, karibu nyumbani. Come to Homabay, come to Rangwe, we are waiting for you. The people are eagerly waiting. And we also want to thank you for sending a 4 team so that the people of Homabay can feel the benefits of peace and stability of our government. I think singularly and collectively, as the leadership of Homabay, you know that we have consulted, we have visited you, and you have treated us well. And the promises that you have made, we are seeing them being implemented bit by bit. So I want to thank you, Your Excellency, and thank you so much for the effort that you're making. I thank you.
Thank you, Daktari. Thank you very much. I also would just like to say, as I call the minister, that we're also very happy that finally the Gor Mahia Ring Road, the road from Marindi, Magina, Otochogo, Pala, Riat, Amoyo, Konyango Rabur, as it goes into Kanyamwa. That road is finally going to be launched by His Excellency the President this coming week, and I know it is of great significance to the people of Riwa and the people of Homabay County. So that is also on the plan. I want to welcome you, Waziri.
Thank you, Governor. Governor Gladys Wanga, my sister Lilian Kogo, MB for Rangwe, the team, County Commissioner, Administration, the team have come with good morning. Tumefurahi kufika hapa leo kwamba tuangalie kazi, tushikane mikono. When you work together like the leadership have said, we can go far. Very important today that we are planning to finalize arrangement to host Madaraka Day here in Homabay. And as you see us today, hatukuji kama wageni, tunakuja kama wafanyikazi. And we are probably going to be here for the rest of the week. Tuhakikishe kwamba angalau mvua ilisuia kazi kidogo. We work the remaining days to finish the outstanding work here at the airport, at the pier, the roads in town being done by Kura, the dwelling of the main artery through town, which we will assure you to finish 500 meters properly, and the remaining 500 meters baadaye. You know, earlier on the planning for Madaraka Day was to go to Kitui, but it was flipped, and Kitui will be hosting Mashujaa Day, which was supposed to be in October. Ndipo mnatuona pengine tunaharakisha kidogo. But because we have started what we need to get ready for Madaraka Day, which is next week Sunday, you will see us continuing this work all the way to October conference. So kitambo ya tutoke hapa, pengine governor utatutafutia mji together we can achieve so much. And we want to assure you, the people of we will see a difference like you are already seeing in terms of some level. Tuangalie kazi, we work through what we need to finish quickly. Just as an introduction, I'm here with my PS, the PS for roads, Engineer Joseph Mbugwa. Mbugwa, umesikia hiyo barabara ya Gor Mahia Ring Road. We must commission it next week. Sasa tukitoka hapa, kama iko shida kidogo, we will have a meeting about it this afternoon with our brother John Buddy tuhakikishe kwamba resources are made available. The tender was done. We know the contractor will do the job. It is just a question of awarding so that we can start on that road. I'm also here with Engineer Kungu Ndungu, the DG, Director General for Kena. Kena is the team doing the artery dualing of the road through town. We must deliver the 500 meters and clean up the area to Kingojea Wageni. I'm also here with engineer Silas Kinoti. Silas ni mtu anatengeneza barabara ya mitaa. He's done very well. He tells us he's demobilizing on Tuesday. Atakuwa amemaliza kazi yake. So bwana Silas tunashukuru. Again, kuwashukuru sana for the accepting to work with the government. And like I said, we can achieve so much together. The leadership of the day baada ya uchaguzi is the leadership for the country. And therefore we must develop the country wholesomely without bothering because we must, this is Kenya, and Kenya is an anchor state supporting the region. I take care of infrastructure from the ports, the airports, and you know we service Uganda, Rwanda, all the way to DRC through the Northern Corridor. And even as we speak today, we are receiving the bids, or we've received some concessioning for Rironi Mau Summit, so that we can facilitate those of us who travel to this region by road to ensure that we facilitate movement of people and movement of goods. We'll be seeking to do all Rironi all the way to Mau Summit, and also dual for those of us who want to come through the escarpment, Narok, because this part of the world is shorter through Narok. So we'll also be dualing the escarpment route to make sure that escarpment is not a challenge for those of us who want to use the escarpment route. So as we seek to be that anchor state that we are, and to take competitive advantage as a country of our port of Mombasa, the fact that other countries are landlocked, it should be able to create opportunities, create jobs, create wealth for our people. So I really want to thank you and encourage you to continue to shikane pamoja. We will go far and very, very far together. We are having significant infrastructural challenges, but you are aware that with the settlement of pending bills, which have been held up for the last 5, 6, 7 years, contractors are now back to work because we have paid them an initial 40% of what we owed them. That 40% is so significant. In the last 1.5 months, we have paid up to 60 billion Kenya shillings. Ndipo hii mabarabara yote ilikuwa imekwama, tumekwamua, so that work has started. We'll pay them the balance, and we'll see how to work going forward, so that not only in the roads like Mbita, Sindo, is work going on. All the roads in Kenya today, contractors are back to work, and let's work together. And Governor, I'm sure even as we prepare for this celebration, we will certainly see the fruits of kushikana pamoja. Let me once again thank you for receiving us. Mtukubalie tuangalie kazi inaendelea namna gani, alafu kisha kwa hiyo wiki imebaki ama siku chache zimebaki, tuhakikishe kwamba Homabay will really be hosting our leadership, and the guest of the president will be coming to celebrate with us on this particular day. Governor, asante sana. Tunawashukuru. Thank you.